as Russia needs to rely more and more on individual truck shipments for logistics, as GMLRS and now ATACMS help push back the Russian supply chain. Targeting this capability keeps wearing down Russia's ability to fight. As this Ukrainian drone managed to find 3 supply vehicles, 2 Ural and 1 Kamaz truck, there was only one acceptable outcome. As the drone could carry multiple warheads, it hit one after another of the vehicles from above, taking out the fragile equipment, reducing Russia's supply capability by destroying 3 more vehicles, leaving 3 less for tomorrow.